Hello, good morning, one and all. Today, we are going to explain monetary economics, BA third semester, module 4, session 37. Okay, unit 4, money market. In this PPT, I am going to explain meaning, structure of money market. Okay, learning objectives are provide a background of money market. After this session, students are able to know the background of money market and to know the different types of financial markets available in the money market. Okay, money market. What is money market? ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಹಣದ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಎಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಹಣದ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಪಾವಧಿ ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವಂತಹ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ. Money market refers to the market where money and highly liquid marketable securities are bought and sold having a maturity period of 1 or less than 1 year. Means only short-term securities are marketed here. In simple words, the money market is an avenue for borrowing and lending for the short-term funds. Okay, as per RBI definition, a market for short-term financial assets that are close substitute for money facilitates the exchange of money in primary and secondary market. According to Geoffrey, money market is the collective name given to various firms and institutions that dealt in the various grades of the near money. Now, coming to the futures of money market, it is not a single homogeneous market. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗಿನ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಹರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 year. It dealt with financial assets having a maturity period up to 1 year. It relates to all dealing in money or monetary assets. There are various sub-markets such as call money market, bill market, etc. Transactions can be conducted without the help of brokers. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಮಧ್ಯವರ್ತಿಗಳ ಸಹಾಯವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ವಿನಿಮಯ ವ್ಯವಹಾರವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಇದರ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳೇನು? ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೂರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. First one is to provide a parking place to employ short-term surplus funds, to provide room for overcoming short-term deficits, to enable the central bank to influence and regulate liquidity in the economy through its intervention in its market. Last one, to provide a reasonable access to users of share-term funds to meet their requirements quickly, adequately, and at reasonable cost. These four are the objectives of the money market. Now coming to the structure, the whole ಅಂದರೆ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ divided in two parts. First one is money market and second one is capital market. Money market is for short-term funds and capital market is for long-term funds. Okay, here we'll know the clear picture of the structure. There are we divided here organized sector and unorganized sector. In organized sector ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಘಟಿತ ಹಣದ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ we came to know that Reserve Bank of India, commercial banks, PO saving banks, post office saving banks, non-banking companies, ಆಮೇಲೆ cooperative banks. In commercial banks, there are two divisions. First one is scheduled commercial banks and non-scheduled commercial banks. In non-scheduled commercial banks, there are two parts, foreign banks and regional rural banks. And in scheduled commercial banks, there are public sector banks and Indian banks. In public sector banks, there are two parts, State Bank Group and Nationalized Bank, ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕುಗಳು. In unorganized sector, indigenous bankers and money lenders who are unorganized. Okay, for this topic you can refer ABN Kulkarni and ABN Kalkundrikar Monetary Economics and ML Sheth Monetary Economics. Thank you.